Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Supernova Brown Variant, which is a 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, before we begin, I want to let you know that this 1/12 scale licensed Meteor 350 Supernova replica comes in two color variants, which we will get to in a bit. And before we get to the good stuff, let's take a look at the boxing as always. So this Meteor 350 Supernova Brown Variant comes in an elegant window type box which matches the color of the respective model, which is a good touch when it comes to the packaging and presentation. So as you can see, the Royal Enfield logo is bang in the middle and on the top as well. And on this bottom corner of the box, you will see the scale, which is a 1/12 scale, followed by the Meteor 350, which is the model. And for some reason, I couldn't help notice that the name mentioned here is Nebula Brown, when this in fact is a Supernova Brown variant, which must have happened due to a glitch somewhere along the way, which I hope someone is looking into. So moving on to the other bottom corner is the Maisto branding with a few other details, and flipping over to the side you will see the signature Meteor 350 logo along with the official website where you could buy these models. And on the other side of the box you will find a bit of interesting information regarding the Royal Enfield Meteor along with the Royal Enfield branding, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So, to begin with, this Meteor Supernova 350 comes in two color variants, which is the Supernova Brown variant which we just unboxed, as well as the Supernova Blue variant for which I made an exclusive video, of which I'll drop the link in the description below, so go check it out and let me know what you think. So, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic. And although this is pretty much the same casting that is used for the rest of its variants, I should admit that this model looks quite unique and looks just as beautiful as its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features, this model comes with a black chassis, a steerable front fork with a well sculpted headlight, a pair of chrome turn signals, chrome rear view mirrors, and a well detailed speedometer with black and chrome hand grips with clutch and brake levers. And an additional feature that is an add-on to this beautiful Supernova replica is a well sculpted clear visor, which is hard to miss. And moving down is a good looking black front fender that wraps around a fully blacked out wheel with some grey accents, which is a good detail which is bang on. And not forgetting a rubber tire with chrome and black disc brakes which contrasts. So moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in the Supernova Brown, which has a pearlescent shine to it with the Royal Enfield logo on both sides, which are in silver and black. And moving down to the heart of this ride is a beautiful two-toned black and silver 350cc well detailed engine sculpt with a chrome exhaust, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. The side cases are painted in brown and black and branded with the standard Meteor 350 logo on both sides that are prominent. And talking about the seat, it is a double-seater which is in a beautiful brown with a matching backrest with the Royal Enfield branding at the back, which are standard in the Supernova and Stella models. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a brake light that is mounted to the rear fender along with a pair of chrome turn signals. And just to mention, the rear wheel has a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand just in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 130 grams, which are standard 112 scale specs. Well, all I can say is that how often do we come across a beautiful and well-detailed brown motorcycle replica? So I'm sure that this Supernova variant will stand out from the rest of the fleet as well. So overall, this is a beautiful replica of the Meteor 350 Supernova and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a Royal Enfield enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy links for this Royal Enfield Meteor Supernova 350 diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Royal Enfield Meteor replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this Meteor Supernova diecast variant gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as the functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing Royal Enfield replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Royal Enfield Meteor coming up. The new and improvised Meteor 350 serves as a replacement to the Thunderbird and the Thunderbird X lines of motorcycles. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is available in 3 different versions, which is the Fireball, the Stella, and the Supernova, with the Supernova being the top variant model, which is priced approximately at about 1.90 lakh Indian rupees. The Royal Enfield Meteor represents the eternal essence of riding, the spirit of the cruise, with classic counters and timeless design cues. It is an easy thoroughbred cruiser, ready for the open highway and for meeting the challenges of urban commute with equal ease. At the heart of the Meteor is a 349cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine with a characteristic long stroke and electronic fuel injection system, producing smooth tractable power and plenty of bottom end torque. Continuing the legend of the easy singles, the new engine throbs with a visceral beat that is distinctively Royal Enfield. The Meteor 350 features a tripper navigation system, the first ever in a Royal Enfield, powered by Google Maps and the Royal Enfield app that connects smartphones with the motorcycle through Bluetooth. Tripper is a sophisticated navigation solution that indicates directions through an intuitive display system with an additional USB charging port on the motorcycle. And for further information on the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Royal Enfield replica, I dropped the best buy links in the description as well. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Royal Enfield diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And also please do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And this brings us to the end of this Royal Enfield Meteor diecast episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.